Hey guys, welcome back. It is me, Taija, and you are watching Taija View. And today I wanted to get ready for that holiday family gathering that's about to take place. But before we go, let's be friends. Subscribe down below. I upload twice a week, so to me that seems like a pretty good friendship. All right, let's go. I wanted to do a holiday look. I'm kind of just feeling it. Got my little red sweater on and feeling all festive or whatever. So that's what we're gonna do today. And I bought these little hair clips just for today. Yes, you guys, my hair is straight. My hair has not been straight in a really long time. It's been a really long time. Like legit, maybe a year. Yeah. So today I went out and bought these little hair clips. They are from Hula Falula. Literally got them because I knew I was getting my hair straightened and I need to put my hair back. This is like what YouTubers do. Like, hold on guys, I gotta clip my hair. So to get started, you already know I'm going in with my favorite Covergirl Trueblend Undercover Concealer, Golden Amber. I already did my brows. I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, and it's in the shade Ebony. Come a little closer. So today I'm gonna be using the Profusion Chocolates and Mirage palettes. Looks like this. Starting with the Chocolates palette, I'm gonna use the Adventurous shade. Just gonna put this in my crease, just kind of as a base. So Christmas is coming up, guys. And you know, everyone has these family gatherings just to, you know, finally be together. And I'm here for it. So of course we have to get cute for the living room. So you got on your living room outfit, you know, your nice green, red, you know, whatever vibe you're feeling at the moment. Put on your nice little outfit, and now we got to get our face together because all the family is gonna be there. And we gotta be on point. We gotta be ready. All right, now we're gonna go in with Glory. Hello, are you there? Is anybody home? Where's it at? I'll probably have to spray my brush. Where is my spray? Shoot. All right, let's try this again. Okay. So how do you guys feel about the holidays? Like, are you the type to full-blown outfit, hair, makeup, like on point? Or are you like, I'm here for the food, PJs, sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on? Like, who are you? Gonna go in with Groovy. So me for the holiday, I am definitely the one to have on sweatpants and a t-shirt, like chilling, because I don't have time. So if I have on makeup and everything on Christmas, it's because I did a video or I posted a picture. Like, no, like I'm the one, I'm here for the food. Give me my plate. I just used Mic Drop and I just put it in the middle of my lid just to kind of blend out that lighter gold and that brown, just to kind of, you know, a little bit of this. I'm kind of feeling this VIP. I really hope I don't regret it. We'll find out. This shade here, VIP, just to put a little on the ends. It looks black. I hope it is black and not like some weird blue color, but just a little on the outer edge. Now with the Mirage palette, I'm gonna use this shade here. It's called Marsala. I'm actually really liking how this looks, so I truly hope this doesn't like jack everything up. Just wanna put a little bit up here, just a little bit. So I'm liking how this is looking, so I'm not about to do nothing else because, you know, when you keep going, you go a little too far. You give an inch and you take a mile. So I'm gonna just take my inch and I'm gonna be done. I lied. I'm not gonna add any more shadow, but I just want my gold to pop. I'm gonna go in with the Covergirl Exhibitionist Glitter Eyeshadow. Would it be an eyeshadow? I don't know, it's glitter though. And I think it would look good over top of this. Let's see. Yes. So I'm just following that gold I did in the front. Oh, wow. That was definitely worth it. That made such a huge difference. Like, it was cute, but now it really pops. I've never used these, but they're not bad. Can't be in the living room looking like a fool, so definitely make sure you blend everything out. Just cleaned up the edges a little bit just to make it a little crispy, because you know, your cousins come over, they're gonna be like, dang. You'll be like, I don't think I'm feeling a wing today. Like, it could use one, but I don't think I'm feeling it. Make sure you put your lashes on for this holiday dinner, because they take you from like on to like I'm here, guys. Where's my plate? All right, so we're gonna let the lashes dry. We're gonna start the face. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Now this stuff is good. It'll have you good all day, because you know they like, okay, dinner's gonna be done at 2. But everybody comes over at like 12 and you don't eat until about 10:30. So this Poreless Putty Primer, it's gonna have your back. It already knows. It already knows the function don't end till about midnight. So just put this on and you're gonna be good for the night. I had to take them clips out because they're like crimping my hair. Just got it done. What the heck? Next, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Hydration The Fenty Beauty Hydrating Longwear Foundation, and mine is in the shade 310. I love this foundation. It's so pretty, it's so smooth. It covers so good. So for the holidays, I'm usually the one to cook. We don't eat meat. We eat seafood, so we still eat fish. We just don't eat meat. So no chicken, no turkey, no pork, no beef, none of that. If I don't have greens, I will be so hurt. Like, I would literally just eat greens, not even kidding. And our house is like the go-to gathering house. I'm a good host. Come over. I'll show you a good time. We play games, we listen to music, we'll do karaoke. I'm telling you, it's a good time. So I have 2 kids, and this year I've been debating like, what should I do as far as gifts? And I was just, you know, scrolling on Facebook as usual, and I seen the cutest little idea. And it was like something they want, something they need, something they wear, and something they read. And I'm like, you know what? That sounds like a really good idea, because I feel like kids are so spoiled and they don't really like respect the real meaning behind everything. Let me know in the comments below if you have like any sort of like gift traditions or holiday traditions at all, because I'm here for the ideas. Put a little blush on the tip of your nose, like, oh, she's cold and cute. Now for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this Airspun loose face highlighter, and it's in the shade Glow for Gold, because in the living room, you gotta be popping, like no games. And this stuff, I mean, just like, it's no joke. What? That is insane. You cannot go to the living room without your highlighter popping. Like, you can't. It just ruins everything. Now we can finish up the lower lashes. I'm just gonna add some brown liner to my lower lashes, and it's Colourpop. I don't know the name of it because literally everything on it has come off, so. I'm gonna do my lower lash line with that brown and red shade again. I'm telling you, you gonna look good for your family, I'm telling you. the ugliest step, like. And for lips, I'm just gonna throw on like a nice brown shade. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Coffee. I could throw on red, but you don't wanna hurt them. You wanna apply light pressure. So you got on your outfit, you got your hair done, you got your makeup done, you're gonna knock on the door. You're gonna be a little bit late. You're gonna make sure everyone is there first. Your little cousin opens the door and they're like, oh my God, girl, you look so cute. And you're like, oh, thanks. And then you walk in and everybody sees you. And then they're gonna be like, oh my God, girl, you look so good. Oh, your hair, your makeup, oh my God. And you can be like, thanks. Guys, stop. No, stop. This was simple. Stop. No, but seriously, I hope you guys liked the video and the makeup look. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any traditions, your favorite food, what you're doing for the holiday. But as always, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can stay along for the journey. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.